by the way.
Yeah, they never thought that I could do it, but I bagged it. 2015, a nigga started rapping. Never clicked on legs, wouldn't even tapping. But I was going stupid on beats like Patrick. Money on me green like the St. Patrick's. My bitch bad, she be laying on my mattress. Had to roll a quick J out the sachet. Good vibes, good energy, had to match it. Everything I do it with a plan. Keep it to myself, cause I know that they won't understand. Cause it always leads to some niggas tryna stop the man. Can't stop cause I know what I got is in demand. Gotta eat with my niggas cause we work hand to hand. Face to the pillow, they still sleeping on the man. Face to the pillow, they sleeping on the man. And I ain't stopping cause I know I got a plan. I was told that I gotta wait, cause you never know what the man upstairs got in place. I know I'm prepared for the shit that I might face. I don't like sitting idle all day at my place. Some people take it as a race, but fortunately they can never keep up to my pace. I'll be thanking God cause I got a lot of faith. My third eye open, he revealing all the snakes. Let's go. Gotta love yourself cause it's only you. I gotta love myself cause it's only me. See a lot of people coming in between, tryna get my drip cause it's hella clean. My shawty got a nice personality. I don't fuck with them shawties who be hella mean. When I pull up they know that it's hyphen on the scene. I be with my nigga hookish fucking up the beat. N'ai jamais arrêté non. Je cuisine tous les temps. J'ai des veilles maintenant. Regardez j'ai fait ma danse. Chanter en français, rapper en français. Chanter en français, rapper en français. Ils te jouent comme NBA. Talent je sais pas penser. Chansante mon sac, yes sir. Chansante mon sac, yes sir. Chansante mon sac, yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah. It's only you, it's only you, it's only you. It's only you, it's only you, it's only you. It's only you, it's only you, it's only you. It's only you, it's only you.
Chris Fatima.